How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. So all you have to do first is to go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and make sure to update the Instagram application because it's a new feature. That's why you have to update the application. Now, if you have updated it and you still have the same problem, what you can do is you can go here to your Instagram. You can actually go on the home page. On the upper right, you'll see messenger icon. Click on that and take a screenshot with the messenger icon or the chat section there showing that there is no broadcast channel showing. So the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go here to your profile picture, profile page, and then on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines. Click on the three dash lines there, and then go here to your settings. Now, under settings, scroll down up until you see help. Click on help and tap on report a problem, and then report a problem without shaking. And then tap on include and continue. And then you can now upload your screenshot there and explain briefly your problem. So you can put that I don't have my broadcast channel is not showing. Please help me fix that. And then tap on send on the upper right. Now, what you can do next is you can go here to your settings. Just go back a little bit. And then here under settings, go to your general and then go here to your iPhone storage. Now, after clicking on or going to your iPhone storage, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna go here to your Instagram and simply offload the application and reinstall the application again. And don't worry, even if you reinstall the application, the data, the informations, or the accounts that is logged in into your account is into your application is still there. Be- It will just simply buffer or refresh the application. And basically, that is it. That will now fix your problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.